Stay with us, this gets deeper. Did you know a Lego Technic model can be strong enough to lift a real car?
Welcome to PannaAfric Lego Channel, where today we diving deep into the incredible world of Lego Technic, exploring the engineering marvels that can be built with these plastic bricks.
Lego Technic is more than just building, it's about understanding how things work.
It's about gears, axles, pneumatics, and motors all coming together to create functional models that mimic real-world machines. The core principle of Lego Technic is to, but here's what they never wanted you to know.
Offer a more advanced building experience than standard Lego.
This involves using beams, axles, and pins to create a structural framework, allowing for more complex and robust creations.
These aren't just static models, they're machines that move, lift, steer, and even operate autonomously.
One of the most fascinating aspects of Lego Technic is the use of gears.
Gears are fundamental to transferring power and changing speed or torque.
Technic sets often feature intricate stay with USA. This gets deeper gearboxes that allow builders to create models with multiple speeds and functions. Imagine building a crane that can precisely control the speed and power of its winch, all thanks to a series of interconnected gears.
Pneumatics adds another layer of complexity. These systems use compressed air to power cylinders and actuators, allowing for realistic movement and functionality. Think of a Lego Technic excavator with a fully functional arm and bucket, all powered by pneumatic cylinders. It's like having a miniature construction site right on your desk. And of course, we can't forget about motors. Lego Technic motors provide the power to drive these machines. From simple battery-powered motors to sophisticated programmable units, motors allow builders to create autonomous vehicles, complex machinery, and even robots. Consider a Lego Technic car that can be programmed to navigate an obstacle course, all thanks to a motor and a few well-placed sensors. But what are some real-world examples of these engineering marvels? The Lego Technic Porsche 911 GT3 RS is a prime example.
This model features a fully functional gearbox, working steering, and a detailed interior. It's a testament to the level of detail and realism that can be achieved with Lego Technic.
The Lego Technic Libre R9800 excavator is another impressive creation.
This massive model is controlled by a smartphone app and features 7 motors that power the EXC. Subscribe to PannaAfric for more African history and wealth wisdom.
Follow for more untold African stories.